Jack K10 IoT Intelligent IoT Interlock Machine. It integrates super fast sewing speed, step trimming pressure foot, step motor needle adjustment, one button restoration, intelligent IoT large screen, and other super performances. It is the first choice for digital garment production in the future. Visual operation, intelligent internet production. Jack K10 IoT is equipped with the unique 3-in-1 screen, which integrated sewing system, hanging system, production management system in one of the 3-in-1 data terminal. And it can visually control the sewing machine parameter setting, remote parameter adjustment, remote service request, and other great functions. For hanging system, it can display hanging information and hanging station position control. For production management system, it can deliver process requirements and other information in real time. For the 3-in-1 screen, it can achieve the platformization of data and help different software companies to solve the cross-platform and cross-device data problems. Quality sewing, thickness adaptation. Sewing swimwear and other thin elastic fabric are with flat stitches and no wrinkles. Sewing mesh and other fabrics are not arched. At the same time, KL1 Plus lifting foot height is up to 7 mm, so it can be adjustable when the fabric is too thick and ensure the sewing thick material through the bone position smoothly and make the stitches dense and consistent to meet all kinds of strict sewing requirements. Step trimming, quiet and efficient. K10 IoT with a step trimming presser foot reduces the sound of the whole machine by at least 6 decibels, improves the strength of cutting line and lifting foot doubled, and makes the response speed in trimming become faster and more precise. At the same time, the sewing efficiency improves at least 35%, and the speed can also reach 5,000 RPM. It only takes 0.18 seconds to accelerate to the highest speed, which is one step ahead of the others. Electronic stitch length, precise adjustment. Electronic stitch length can accurate to 0.1 mm, which can easily adjust the stitch length to the most perfect state, maintain the accurate standard of stitch, and it is the first choice of the high-end t-shirts and sweaters and other clothing processing. In addition, the K10 IoT is equipped with a one-key factory reset function, so users don't have to worry about mishandling. K10 IoT Intelligent IoT Sewing Machine, new step and IoT technology. High efficiency and high return make sewing easier.